Maxilla growth isn't magic, it's biomechanics. Most people ignore this bone, but this one bone decides your face symmetry, mid-face projection, and how attractive your side profile looks. And yes, you can actually grow or enhance it. Let me tell you how. First, your tongue posture. If your tongue is resting flat at the bottom of your mouth, you're ruining your growth. You need to place your tongue at the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. Not just the tip, but the whole mid part of the tongue should stay up. Second, stop mouth breathing. Mouth breathers have longer, weaker faces. Breathe through your nose, always. Third, Jawad method based chewing. Start chewing hard gum daily. It stimulates the maxilla and mandible, making your face sharper and stronger over time. But remember, chew equally on both sides. Fourth, stop sleeping on your stomach or one side. It shifts the facial bones subtly over months. Sleep on your back. Pillow under your head and neck for support. And last, patience. Facial bones change slowly, but consistency will reward you. So if you want to glow up, start from the inside, fix the posture, fix the habits, and let your maxilla shape your identity.